Good morning children. Today we are learning 2 table with a small activity. Yes Nana, in the 2 table 2 is a common number. Starting to ending 2 is a starting number or common number. Tables means multiplication Nana. Here how many times repeating? Repeating number is always middle in the multiplication. Yes, now see here 2. Here 2 is a common number here. 2 is a common number here. We are using which symbol for multiplication, Nana? Which symbol? Cross. Cross symbol. Yes, Nana. Multiplication symbol is cross mark. Yes. Now see, or sometimes we are calling into 2 into 0. It is a times repeating. How many times repeated? 2 is repeated 0 times like this. This is the repeated number. Repeated number how to come? 0 after 1, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6. Very good. 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10. Yes, Nana, up to 10 numbers we know very well. Yes, yes, Nana. Here 2 is a common, always 2. 2 zeros. Here 2 how many times repeating? 0 times. 0 times means nothing. Nothing is equal to answer. For answer we are using here is equal to 2 into 0 is equal to 2 is there. Now in the 2 table first 2 is there, Nana. After we are using multiplication symbol and how many times repeating. This number we are writing here. Yes, 2 into 0 is equal to. This is equal to after. Here we are writing answer, Nana. Yes, 2 how many times repeated? 0 means nothing. Here 2 not there. It means 2 not there. 2 not there. Then what will come answer? 0. Here any number is there. Big number or small number. 3 digit numbers. Any number is there. 2 into 0 or 4 into 0. What number also there? What will come, Nana? 0. Always 0 in the multiplication. Okay, we know concept, Nana, in addition. Yes, same like here also. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Yeah, addition is different, multiplication is different, Nana. Okay. Yes, nothing. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 we are writing. But here into is there means how many times present 2 number. Means here 2 is not present. It means 2 is not present. Then here 0 will come. 0 will come. Okay. Yes, now for example 3 is there here. 3 is there. Then how will say 2 into 0. 2 0 3 zeros 3 zeros 0 only. Now for example 4 is there. 4 zeros 0 only. Yeah, for example 6 is there. 6 into 0 times means nothing here 6. That's why 0. Like this will come, Nana. You can remember any number is there after cross symbol means multiplication symbol. Then you can see 0. You can put 0. That's it, Nana. Okay? Okay. Now you can come back. Now 2 table. Yes, ma. Now see your 2. 2. 2. How many times repeated, Nana? 0 times means nothing. Means 2 not repeating any time. That's why 0. Now, see, I am using some notes, Nana, for activity. Okay, everyone have. Please, Nana, once you ask to your parents, parents will give any kind of nuts or grains or anything. Okay, now you can use these nuts for multiplication. Yes, now 2 here nothing. Now here see 2. 2 ones are. How many times repeating here? One time repeating. One time repeating. Yes, one time repeating. Then you can use 2. Here 2 number is there. How many nuts we need? 2 nuts. 2 nuts. Yes, 2 nuts. Then 2 ones are 2 only. Yes, very good. Now 2 ones are 2 only. Next 2 twos are. 2 twos are. Yes, here 2. How many times repeating, Nana? 2 times. 2 times repeating. Already one time here there. Now 2 times means now we need 2. Yes, 2. Here see 2. 2 times repeating. Here one time is there. Here second time is there. You can add it. Yeah, multiplication means addition, Nana. Then you can add it. Here 1, 2 already there. Now you can check here, count 2. 2 after 3, 4. The answer is 4. 4 will come. Yes, Nana. Once here see 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Here 2. Here 2. 2 times repeating. 2 times repeating means how many 2's we need? 1 time. Now 2 times. Means we are using plus symbol. 2 times 2 repeating. 2 plus 2 is equal to how much we will get, Nana? 1, 2. 2 after 3, 4. What is the answer? 4. 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay. Here one time only there, Nana. 2. 2 one time only there. That's why 2 only there. Here see 2 how many times there? 2 times present. That's why here one time. Here second time. Here second time. Then total we will get 4. 4. This is answer. Now you can come 3 times. 3 times. Now how many times we need? 3 times. Okay. Now see 1, 2, 3. 3 times it present. 3 times it present. Yes. Now here 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Yeah. Total 6. 2 3s are 6. Now here taking like this we will get more time. Yes, Nana? మనకి ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది కదా. ఇలా మళ్ళీ 3 times. Now 4 times means here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2's present 4 times. Yes. Now see here. We will get more time and see we are taking more time because here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this we are counting taking more time. That's why one more easy technique is there. What means here 6 completed. Then how many times here complete? 3 times completed. Yes, sir? Yes, sir? Yes, Nana. 3 times completed. Then here 6 came answer. You can add answer. Here you can add to answer. What number we are adding? 2 number. You can add 2 number. Yes. Now one more technique. 6 plus 2. Now here easy. 6 Nana. Okay. 6 number undi kada. Yes. Now 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 6 after. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. What is the answer? 8. Here see. Here also 4 times repeated. Yes. 2 there. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Answer 8 is there. Here also see 6 plus 2 8k means already 3 times it there. We are just adding 2 because of next time. 3 after 4 only one set we need. Kada? You can remove 3 times only. Yes, 2 3s are 6 will come answer. Now 3 4s means you can add only 2 extra. 2 extra. Yes, that extra only you can give answer. It is also correct. This method also correct. But this method taking more time. 4 times we are counting the number. But here only one time because 2 3s are 6 completed. After 8 came. How means we are adding only 2. Because here 4th time means already 3 times there nana ikkada. 3 times undi kada. Yes, 3 times ki manam inkem add cheyali? 2 add cheyali. 2 add cheste we are getting 8 answer. 8 answer. Yes nana. Now we know. See again here answer get 8. Now we want 5 times. 2 5s are. 2 5s are. For example, 2 5s are we need. How many times we taking 2 number? How many times we are taking nana? 5 times. Here they repeated number. Here table number. 2 table na. That's why 2 number only coming. In the 2 table first number 2 only coming. 2 5s are. See here. 1 2 3 4 4 5. Total how many times? 5 times we are taking 2 number and then we want answer. See here I am explaining 2 numbers nana ante 2 methods. 2 methods. First one addition. 2 is repeated. Repeated here 2 2 2 2 2 there. How many times repeated? 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 times. Then you can count total 2. Here there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total how many notes there here? 10 is there. 10 is there. 10 is there. Then answer is 10. 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 repeated 5 times we will get 10. Yes, one more method I said. What is that number? Already 2 4s are 8 we got it. Already we got it. Then immediately you can add 2 number. Where we are adding? Where we are adding nana? Here. Here we are adding 2 number. Then 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 you can count it. Big number keep it in mind. 8 keep it in mind. Take 2 fingers. 8 after 9 10. Is 10 came? This method is very easy nana. Already we know 2 4s are 8. Then 2 5s are means we are adding only extra 2. Then you can immediately count 8 after 9 10. Answer 10. Here see 5 times we are adding. It is a long process. Yes. Now here easy technique I am saying. Now see 2 6s are. Here already 5 times there. 2 5s are 10 there. Then we are adding how many times? 6 times. Already 5 times there. Next one more time. 6th time you can add here. Already we get answer and answer key. One more time you can add. 10 plus 2 we will get. What is the answer? 10 keep it in mind and take 2 fingers. 10 after 11 12. What is the answer? 12. 12. 6 2s are 6 2s are 12. How we will get 10 plus 2? 12. Or again long process also I am showing now. See everyone nana. 2. 2 plus 2 4. Already there upside. See nana 2 times. 4 there. Now 3 times. 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now 6 came. Yes, now fourth time coming. 2 4s are 2 4s are 8 coming. Yes, now 2 how many times present here? 4 times. Now fifth time. 2 5s are, see, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. After here 5 times complete. Now adding one more time, Nana, sixth time. Yeah, see, 1 2 3 4 5, sixth time. Sixth time is there. Yes. Now what is the answer? 12. 12. 12. Here we are using adding. Multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated addition. Then seventh time means here easily. Here already 6 times there. One more time means what number will come? 2. 2 table kabatti 2 table add cheskovali. Yes. Or you can open 2 fingers and add it. 12. 12 after 13, 14. What is the answer for 2 sevens are? 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 12 plus 2, 14. And in long process you can see how many times we are taking nuts, Nana? ఎన్నిసార్లు తీసుకోవాలి? Yes, 7 times, Nana. Yes, good. 1 2 3 4 5. Why we are taking 2 seeds, Nana? It is a 2 table. 2 table. That's why we are taking 2 2 2 2 2 2. Yes. Okay. One time, second time. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Yes, 2 times present. 3 times means 6. 4 times means 8. 5 times means 10. Counting. Yes. 6 times 12 came. Now 7th time here adding. That here we are keeping the nuts. ఇప్పుడు 7th time పెట్టాం. Then you can count the total. 2 plus 2, 4. 4. Here see. Now 3 times. What number there? 6. 4 times there. 2 number. 8 came. Now 5 time. 10. 6 time. 12. After you can add 2, you will get 7. 7 times 2. Repeated 7 times. 2 sevens are 14. It is a answer. It is a answer. Then, yes, now you can take, ready? 14 plus, here 8, next number only there. Yes, 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 14 after 15, 16. Then we will get answer. We will get answer. What answer, Nana? 16. 16. Yes, 16. Yes, 16. Yes, now in long process, here easy process already I said. 14 plus 12, 16 coming. Now once you check in activity base, now how many times we need, Nana? 2? How many times we need? Yeah, how many times we want to take 2 number? ఎన్నిసార్లు తీసుకోవాలి? 2 how many times repeat, Nana? 8. 2 repeats 8 times. Then 8 times we need 2 number. Yes, now you can take 1. Next 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8th time. 8th time. Now see, Nana, here. 1 time, 2nd time, 3rd time, 4th time, 5th time, 6th time, 7th time, and 8th time. And 8th time. Yes, Nana. 8th time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, 8 time. Then we will get answer. Okay. See children here, like this. It is a long process. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. See here. 4 times. 8 there. 8. Yes, sir? Same only. Yes, next. 8 plus 2. 10. 10 plus 2. 12. 12 plus 2. 14. 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2. 14 after 15. 16. 16 answer came. Yes, 16 came. Now you can see here. You can see here. Yes. You can see here, Nana. Now, here 16 came. 14 plus 2. Ante one more. Next number only there. That's why. Ante one extra. 7 after number ante one time only, Nana. One kada variation after number ante. Yes. Andukosmani you can be ready with the 2 fingers. Yeah, 16 came. 2 8s are 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Next, see here. 2 8s are 16. Now next number only. 2 9s are means 8 times already there. Now 9th time means you can take 2. Yeah, here already 16 there nana man degra. 2 8s are 16 kada. Yes, now 16 after 17, 18. Yes, what is the answer? 18. 18. 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2. Yes. 16 plus 2. 18. 16 plus 2. 18. 2 nines are 18. Yes. Now, in long process, once you repeat with me. Yeah. 2. 1 time present. 2 ones are 2. Next. 2. Second time. 2 times present. 2 twos are 4. Yes, 2 3 times. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. Yes, 2 threes are 6. Now fourth time. Keep Nana, take yours. Seeds or nuts or anything. Yeah. Yes, now you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 3, 2 fours are 3, 2 fours are 8. Now 2 fives are. Now 5 times there. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are here. 6 times there. 2 6 are 12. Now 2 sevens are 7th time. Yes. 2 sevens are 14. 2 8th time Nana I am keeping here. 8th times 2 is I am keeping here 8th time. Yes, now 2 8s are 60. Now next set 9th time. 9th time here I am adding Nana. Same here taking and keeping here. Then what is the answer? 16 plus 2, 18. Yes, that is only answer. Now 18. Answer is 18. How many times repeated here? 2 number. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 9th time. Then 2 nines are 18. Now last Nana, last one. See. Don't feel bored. Now you can play. Then it is very easy. You just watching. You don't get anything Nana. Yes. Okay. See Nana. Yes. Now last. 2 tens are. How many times present here? 2 number. Say 10. 2 how many times repeated Nana? 10 times. 2 how many times repeated? 10 times. Again starting onwards. Huh? No. Few members are saying 10 plus 2. Yeah, it is easy technique. Kada? Yes, only your next number only. Already 9 times there. 2. One more time we need. Then you can take 18 already there. 18 plus 2. 18 after 19. 20. Yeah, it is easy. Yes. 20 answer. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. See now. Once we check. Okay na? Once we will check. Again Nana, please. Don't feel bored and do. Take first time. How many times present? 2. 1 time. 2 ones are 2. 2 times present. 2 twos are 4. Now 2 3 times present. Here we need 10. Here 3 time only. 2 threes are 6. Now see. 4 times present. 2 fours are 8. Now fifth time. Fifth time. Yes. Now see your already 8 came. 8 plus 2. 9 10. Yes 10. Next one more time. 2 you can add. Here 10 there. 10 after 11 12. Yeah, one more time also completed. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 12 after 13 14. Then 7 time. Now 8th time 16. 8th time 16. 9th time 18. 2 nines are 18. Now last one. 2 tens are 20. What is the answer, Nana? 20. 2 tens are 20. How many times repeated 2? How many times repeated? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens are 20. It is the 2 table. It is 2 table. In the 2 table, 2 repeats from 0 onwards. 2 zeros. 2 zeros means 2 not there ani. Okay na nana? 2 into. Here symbols kuda nana. 2 plus 0 is the meaning veru. 2 plus 0 అంటే 2 ఉంది. 0 అంటే ఆ ప్లేస్లో ఇంకే నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేయట్లేదు అని. అంటే 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2a రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అంటే 2 ప్రెజెంట్ అయ్యిందా లేదా అన్నది చెప్తుంది. 2 0 మీన్స్ అంటే 2 ఇంటూ 0 మీన్స్ నథింగ్. 2 రాలేదు, అక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ లేదు అని. ఓకేనా? అర్థమవుతుందా నాన్న? ఓకేనా? చాలా ఈజీ. 2 ఇంటూ 0 మీన్స్ 2 నాట్ ప్రజెంట్. దెన్ 0 విల్ కమ్ ఆన్సర్ కదా. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు అంటే 2 ప్రజెంట్ అవ్వలేదు అని. 2 ones are. 2 ones are means 2 one time present. Then you can give answer 2 ones are 2. Yes, now here see 2. 2 twos are 2. How many times present? 2 times present. Now 2 3 times present. 2 4 times present. It means here ఇక్కడ మనకి రిపీటెడ్ నెంబర్ వచ్చి 2 ఎన్నిసార్లు ప్రెజెంట్ అవుతుందో అన్నిసార్లు మనం అడిషన్ చెయ్యమని. అంటే మనం ఫింగర్స్ ఉన్నా చాలు నాన్న. ఫింగర్స్ ఉన్నా చాలు. మనకు ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ తెలిస్తే సెకండ్ నెంబర్లో ఈజీగా 2 యాడ్ చేసుకుంటా వెళ్ళచ్చు. చూడండి లైక్ దిస్. ఇక్కడ అడిషన్. ఇక్కడ అడిషన్లో వాట్ నెంబర్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్. దిస్ ఈస్ 2 టేబుల్ కాబట్టి 2 తీసుకున్నాను. అదే 3 టేబుల్ అయితే 3 తీసుకుంటాను. ఓకేనా? సేమ్ అలానే ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. ఓకేనా? 2 plus 2. What number will come? 4 will come. We know very well. Very good children. Very good. Yes. Now, okay. 4 plus 2. What will come? 6 will come. Yes, sir? Yes. After. See. 2 plus 4 plus 2, 6 will come. Yeah, nicely doing addition. 4 plus 2, 6. Yeah, 6 plus 2. What will come? 8 will come. And after, check. 6 plus 2. 6 after, 7, 8. Yes, now 8 plus 2, 10 will come. And the next answer we will get, Nana. Okay. It is also one more technique. One more technique like this, you can add 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 like this. Okay, you can add 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 like this. You will get answer. Finally, next number. Okay, here 10 is the next. 11 also we will get. 12 also we can do. 13 also we can do. It is very easy technique. What number here? First, we know 2 zeros 0. Next 2 ones are like this. You can learn, Nana. You can use any technique, fingers technique, or you can add here last number. You can add 2 number. It is also repeated 2 times or 4 times. That is your wish, Nana. ఫస్ట్ మీరైతే ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటో చెక్ చేసుకోండి, తర్వాతే నేర్చుకోండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్. బాయ్.